video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
What?
Like, are you already recording it?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is behind the scenes of me at the Rainforest Cafe. So basically what this is gonna be, I'm basically gonna be remaking the very first ever video to go up on YouTube basically. But instead of like there's an elephant. Like for those of you guys who've been wondering, what was the very first ever video to be uploaded on YouTube? Like I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go check it out. But yeah, so like right now, this is gonna be the behind the scenes of this video. Like the original title for the very first ever YouTube video was me at the zoo, but this is gonna be me at the Rainforest Cafe. I'm basically gonna say the same thing, but except it's like you guys will see later on. Alright,
Go.
Alright, so here we go. Elephants. Alright, so that was it.
Le puse pausa.
¿Ah?
Le puse pausa. ¿No vas a enseñar el cocodrilo que se mueve?
Eso era todo.
¿Pero qué es lo que dijiste del elefante?
Esto ahorita te voy a enseñar. Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
¿Ya lo quito entonces o le puse pausa?
Páralo.
Can you hold the camera? There.
Alright, so that was the behind the scenes of me at the Rainforest Cafe, which basically the title was the actual title was supposed to be me at the zoo because I'm not actually at the zoo, but like I'll make a few videos about this. Alright, so I guess we have to go now, and yeah.